What's up guys, Noah from Tiny Rig here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a customer's FJ Cruiser. He chose to include some Goose Gear goodies in his build, so let's walk you guys through it. So starting off with the Goose here, the customer opted for the Stealth Sleep package. This includes both the rear plate as well as the full 100% seat delete system. This is crucial for maximizing storage, and getting rid of those back seats will definitely help with organization as well. You get a few top hatches on top of the seat delete, so you can safely secure some goodies underneath the seat delete. And also paired with that, we have the camp kitchen. This is going to be crucial for keeping your fridge and stove in a designated location. And it's really easy to operate. Got a couple of pull tabs here on the back, and you can slide them out super easily. This specific Stealth Sleep package is available for the FJ Cruiser, the 4Runner, Land Cruiser, and several other vehicles. So if you guys are interested in compatibility, you can check our website for more details. So touching on the rear plate system specifically, this does provide quite a bit of modularity. So there's a handful of pre-drilled holes on the back which allow you to easily bolt on accessories like the camp kitchen or just a standard fridge slide, drawer modules, anything that you really are looking to include in your setup. And the coolest part is you can add it on as you go. So there's no real pressure of doing it all right away. You can add it on as you need basically. So yeah, in this case, the customer opted to go with the camp kitchen, and he left the driver's side blank because he's going to be using it as a stealth sleeper. So he'll set up a small little single person mattress, throw some bedding in there, and be able to safely sleep in the back. So just like the rear plate system, seat deletes are also modular in a sense that you can start with just the 40%, just the 60%, or you can do the full 100, similar to what this setup specifically is. The Stealth Sleep package will be the full 100%. And like I previously mentioned, there are some top hatches on both the 40 and the 60. You'll have a couple of each. You'll have top access to your gear, and you have a front panel as well. It'll safely secure the gear inside, and you do have side access to your gear as well. Again, this is the perfect option for stealth camping as well as gear organization. So if it is something you're interested in, feel free to give us a call or visit our site for more details. We'd be more than happy to help you out. Thanks, guys.